I got PS4 Scuf controller, and the customer said the USB port or the USB charging port damaged. So in this video I will try to replace the charging port for PS4 Scuf controller. If this is the first time you watch me, I fix video games and computer, so don't forget to give me like to support me. So let's start to fix it. First thing first, I need to open 4 screws. One here, second, third, and the last one is here. Just be careful, they have ribbon cables. So first thing, I need to open this ribbon cables. Let me try to zoom to the picture. Hopefully now is better. So I need to open this ribbon cables here. Okay, this part is disconnect, and I should work on this side. So they have 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4. First one, just be careful. This part is disconnected. Just be careful, they have 2 metal plates. See, this is the first one. This is for the button, for paddle button. And this is the second one. Let me take it. And this is the second one. And they have 2 plastic piece here. Just be careful. I need to take this small board and replace it. Alright, so I need to open this screws, but this screws is different, so let's replace my screwdriver. Alright, so let's try now. Now it's better. Alright, this is the old piece and this is a brand new piece. If you want to buy like charging port, I already have on my website, so just go to my website and you can buy it. Let's return all the part back and test. All the part for this side is back, and let's return it on this side. All screws back, and it's time to test. As you can see guys, the controller is fixed. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment.